What is up and welcome to another video. Join me today guys as we navigate into the crypto market. So I have seen a lot of bear flags in majority of the altcoins, especially Ethereum. I'm going to share it with you today and also the possible targets of this bear flag. Right now, there's no confirmed breakout yet, but I will share with you very important levels to keep an eye on. And if you are ready, let's dive right in.
All my fellas. 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 All my fellas.
All right, what is going on, guys? And today is Monday, the start of the week, but Bitcoin and the majority of the altcoins are still very boring and still moving on a sideways channel. Today is going to be a very quick stream, so if you have any questions, chart requests, comments, let me know right now in the comment section down below. And also I would like to hear from you guys. Let me know from where are you watching this live stream. So let me know in the chat section or in the comment section down below. We are 70 days away from the next Bitcoin halving, and that is going to be another catalyst for Bitcoin. So I'm going to share with you very important levels, and of course what should we do before and after the halving. So right now, majority of the altcoins are down or in red. Bitcoin is down by 1% in the past 24 hours, still moving on a sideways channel for almost 3 months since December. So fear and greed index is also at 60%. So we haven't seen a major correction yet. And if you have watched my previous video, guys, I have explained to you that I am still expecting a major correction in the next couple of months, probably before the halving or on the halving itself. There's going to be a final shakeout in my own opinion, and I think that is going to be very, very likely. And also looking at Ethereum's chart, guys, we have a massive bear flag right now on Ethereum, although I remain bullish on Ethereum. But looking at the lower time frames, 4-hour time frames to be exact, we have a bear flag formation here with a target of $20 or $2,040. And also, if you are going to zoom out, that will invalidate our weekly support here. Because if you have watched my previous videos, I have mentioned that 2,190 is going to be my weekly confirmation, guys. So if weekly candle closes below $2,190, this $3,000 target for Ethereum is going to be invalidated. But so far, maybe we could see a wick if this bear flag plays out. But as long as the weekly candle closes above this level, I remain bullish on Ethereum. But looking at the lower time frame right now, watch out for this very important bear flag, guys. This is going to be the confirmation here. So 4-hour candle closing probably below 2,200 level. 2,250 is going to be our breakout confirmation. So keep an eye on this chart very, very close. But as long as we trade above inside the channel, we are still safe. But I think we might see a shakeout here. Of course, we have order blocks here at around 2,195 up to 2,200 level, of course using chart prime indicator. And we still have this bull flag or bullish divergence on the oscillator, same as with the other charts as well. So right now I'm still holding my long position on Ethereum, guys. I'm still holding my long position on Ethereum here. Later, I'm going to explain to you all these trades here. it's not always a win, guys. We have days that majority of the trades are on a profit, but today we have 3 trades on a loss, but that is part of trading. And Bitcoin short, I'm still holding my Bitcoin short here. So KSM, APT, and Ethereum, again, this is going to be a swing trade for Ethereum. My target remains at $3,000. I'm going to hold this trade until invalidated. So looking at the Bitcoin's chart, jumping to the Bitcoin's chart, we have also Manprit watching from, hey Chill, watching from New Zealand. Can you check Woo chart, please? So let me just take note of this because this is going to be a quick stream today, guys. Notepad, and let's go right. Woo, also Pass Nikki, Fet if possible, hello from Poland. So we have also viewers from Poland and New Zealand. Beautiful, beautiful countries. Fet. Next one is Sui from Barbara Spencer. Fet and Sui. So we have 2 requests. One from Pasniki and Barbara Spencer. How can I use your copy trading? Later we are going to discuss about copy trading, guys. Wu, Fet, and Sui. So going back to the Bitcoin's chart. So Bitcoin has been consolidating, actually. If you were going to zoom out, Bitcoin has been moving on a sideways channel for almost 3 months since December here. December 6, 2023, we have been on a sideways channel. So look at this, guys. We are just trading on this box here. So sideways channel. And I think if you are going to zoom this out, probably we might be looking similar to this price action before the halving. Later, I'm going to share with you very, very important chart that will show similarity, guys. So probably we are on this level right now. And by the way, if you want to take advantage of the indicator that I'm using here, of course, I'm using Chart Prime. The link is on the description down below. You can get up to 50% discount if you are going to use my referral link. And of course, they have right now 7 days risk-free trial. And Grayscale keeps on selling Bitcoin. So I think they are holding around 500, cannot remember the exact number, but they are the largest holder, guys, of Bitcoin. They're holding GBTC, and I think majority of the holders right now are converting their GBTC into spot Bitcoin ETF. Next one is, of course, congratulations to the user ID. If you are trading in Fairdesk, if you want to join my trades in Fairdesk, if you want to copy my trade, of course, $100 giveaway, $100 bonus is in your account. User ID 488529, you have won the last week giveaway. The $100 is in your account right now. Now 26th round is coming. Fairdesk giveaway announcement, $100 giveaway. To qualify, all you have to do is just to create an account. Head on to Fairdesk, create an account using my referral link in the description down below. And of course, open at least one trade, copy trade or futures trade. This offer will end February 12, guys, February 12. So there's no KYC on Fairdesk. And of course, it's very easy to create an account. You can create an account and start trading on Fairdesk. That's very quick and of course, very easy to use as well. So as what you can see, I'm using Fairdesk here. And right now I'm holding these trades. So Bitcoin, I'm still on a swing short because I still believe that we might see a final shakeout before the halving, guys. Later, I'm going to share with you this very important chart. So one chart right here. So probably we are on this level right now. So 2014 to 27 cycle, we have seen this similar pattern for Bitcoin, guys. And right now we are on this level. And as what I've said, if you have watched my previous analysis about Bitcoin, I still believe that we are going to see a final shakeout before or probably on the halving, near the halving. So we are 70 days from the next Bitcoin halving. And look at this, guys. We have previously Bitcoin before the halving, final shakeout here, retested this previous level. And probably right now we are on the same spot. So if that is going to happen, we might probably see Bitcoin drop back to 30,000 level, and that is going to be my reaccumulation and buy zone for Bitcoin. So keep an eye on that very important level. Similar to this chart right here, so 500 days before halving is for buying Bitcoin, and 500 days after halving is going to be the parabolic run here. So right now we are on this very important stage here. So if you have missed the previous spot buy at $16,000, I have shared that one as well, of course, on my Twitter account. And of course, the long-term portfolio is in our Discord group. So here right now, if we are going to see a final shakeout, 30,000 is going to be very important level. Probably our last chance to accumulate, guys. Probably our last chance to accumulate before the parabolic run here. 500 days after halving is going to be insane. So be ready. And of course, right now, market is still consolidating. So be patient and wait for the right opportunity. And if you are going to look at the liquidity levels here, liquidity levels, we have huge liquidity at around 44,000. Actually, both long and short liquidations are at around 41,600. We have long liquidation at 41,600 and short position liquidation at around 44. So probably the market is going to sweep all of this. So probably quick pump to 44 and drop back down to 41,000 level. But if you are going to check the 3-day time frame, Bitcoin actually got rejected from this previous level here, which we have discussed previously. So here, if you're going to zoom in, we have this possible inverse head and shoulders pattern. But again, I've discussed this very important level here. This is going to be the zone that Bitcoin needs to break, guys. If Bitcoin breaks above, then probably I will close my short position, because the target of this inverse head and shoulders pattern is going to be $49,000, and that will going to close all the long leverage here using the liquidation heat map and a possible double top if that is going to happen. So probably I'm gonna go on another short if this level right here will be invalidated. But for now, I'm still holding my short position at around this level. I'm gonna continue to hold up to $36,000, which is going to be my swing trade target, guys. This is going to be the next support for Bitcoin. Of course, we are still in an overall uptrend here. But again, if you are going to zoom out, probably Bitcoin is forming similar to this price action. So sideways, and then eventually we might see this kind of drop right here before the halving, and then a parabolic run. So again, this is similar to the chart that I've shared here. So this one is from the Stock Money Research. So probably one final shakeout back to $30,000 before a parabolic run. So now let's jump in to APT. That is why I was going on long on APT, because we have actually huge order blocks, guys. Order blocks at around this level here. And we are still, a while ago, we are still trading above the support trend line. That is why I decided to go on a long position. And of course, we have this bullish divergence forming on the oscillator. So this is a short-term trade with a target of 9.5. So let's see if I think we have already a confirmed break of support here on the lower time frames, 4-hour time frame, but we are still inside this loud order block level. So I'm just going to continue to hold my trade. I think I've set my stop loss just a little bit below this candle wick right here. That is going to be my invalidation for my long position. Again, not a financial advice. All charts and CA are for educational purposes only. Invest only what you can afford to lose and consult with your financial advisor if you want a financial advice. So similar to Kasama or KSM, Kasama again is still trading above this support trend line. We got a beautiful bounce here and double bullish divergence on the 4-hour time frame. That is why I have decided to go on a long position as well, because I was expecting the price to drop back here and bounce back up, probably up to $40.4. So let's see how that trade is going to play out. And I have set my stop loss just a little bit below this candle wick right here. So let's see how that trade is going to play out. And it looks like this is forming a falling wedge pattern. So that's actually a bullish pattern, guys. So probably falling wedge pattern here. So if this is going to be a falling wedge pattern, there is still a chance that the price would drop back here to this level, 36.5, before bouncing back up. So let's see how this trade is going to play out. Again, when I enter a trade, we have also Ondrej Cossack joining us today. So once I enter a trade, guys, I just follow the trade. I don't change my mind because that is the trade setup. I need to follow the plan, because if you don't set rules in trading, then you'll probably lose without knowing why you lose. So follow the trade setup and stick to your plan, and let's see how it goes. So next one is airdrop, guys. I think this is a very important opportunity that you can take advantage. Bybit right now is giving 500 USDT position, and you can use this position to go on a long or short position. So all you have to do is just to create an account in Bybit, and you can get up to 30,000 US dollars of bonus, guys. And also, if you want to claim this airdrop, all you have to do is just to create an account using my referral link in the description down below. You can use this to go on a long or short position, 500 USDT position, and you must hold $100 in your account. And all you have to do is just to fill up this form here. So just create an account, fill up this form and submit, and your request will be processed within 2 weeks of form submission. And let's go jump into the chart request.
All my fellas. 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 All my fellas.
All right, so let's go to the chart request. First one is Woo. So let's use this from Binance. It's a PT Woo chart. All right, so this is Woo from Binance. So Woo chart is still looking bearish. The oscillator is looking bearish on the 4-hour time frame. Of course, we have this 500 or 200 exponential moving average acting as a resistance. We have order blocks here acting as a resistance. We have 50 exponential moving average acting as a resistance for Woo, guys. And right now, this is still forming higher lows on the lower time frame, but it's about to break out. So super high risk right now, looking very weak on the 4-hour time frame, and probably forming a bear flag as well on the 4-hour time frame. So let's see if we can get a bounce near this support here. But it looks like that we are also forming another bear flag for Wu chart here, with a target of, this is going to be we have actually fair value gap here, fair value gap up to this point. Right, so bear flag target is going to be at 0.28 for Wu. So this is still too early to break the support, but it could break anytime. The price right now is hovering near this support, guys. And also we have all of this EMAs, order block, and 50 exponential moving average all acting as resistance for Wu. So let's see if we can get one more bounce here before moving to 0.29. But this is going to be the breakout confirmation here. 4-hour candle closing below 0.33 is going to be our breakout confirmation for this possible bear flag for Wu chart. All right, so next one is FET. What's the market cap of FET? Let me know in the comment section. Because if it's less than 300 million, then probably TA is not going to work for this chart. So similar chart pattern here. Still looking bearish. Right now, the price is hovering on a very critical support. So we have this bullish OB here, bullish OB. So we might probably get a short-term bounce once the price reaches this level right here. This is going to be around 0.458. So still in an overall downtrend. We have this all of this EMAs, guys. All of this 50 exponential moving average, 200 exponential moving average, and all of these order blocks here acting
bad feeling about this
as resistance for FET, guys. So probably we might see a continuation of trend, a little bit of retest here, probably up to 50 exponential moving average, and then eventually drop down to 0.45. We have a bullish order block here, so probably we might get a short-term bounce around this level. So probably quick long if we drop to this level. That's 10%, so probably 10% bounce for FET. So keep an eye on this level, and of course, these are the. Gonna share this chart in our Discord as well. So feel free to grab the chart under the watch list channel. All right. So next one we have. Can you check on Solana from getting started? Barbara Spencer, API 3 update, please. I think we have a list here, guys, and let's check the time. Time check 25. We still have 5 minutes left. Sui, let's go check on Sui. I think Sui is pumping right now. Sui is here. So again, for Sui, we have this cup in handle pattern. So if you were able to catch this trade, guys, beautiful, beautiful cup in handle pattern here. The ideal breakout target of this is going to be 1.89. And we have a break of structure signal here from chart prime. And of course, we have these order blocks here acting as supports. So we have a huge selling pressure at around this level, guys. So probably we have order block in the lower time frame at around this level. So bearish order block at 1.6 up to 1.68, and we have all of this supports here. So we have this. We have a falling wedge here. We still have higher lows. If you're going to zoom out, we still have higher lows here, and we have a very good support trend line. So probably wait for the price to drop back to this 1.5 if you want to get in to this long position. Of course, this is super high risk to trade because of the risk to reward ratio. Look at this, going to be 8% risk with the possible 26-27% reward. And this was supposed to be the entry point here for SUI. So I think that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much, everyone, for joining me. We don't have time. Again, that's what I've said. This is going to be a quick stream because right now it's very, very cold and I have like, I keep on sneezing. So thank you so much for joining me. Again, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, click that notification bell, support the channel, guys. Share this video to everyone you know, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.